Hi, my name is Shankar, and I'm going to talk about the liquidity of energy futures listed on ICE and CME. Clearly interesting times as crude oil is historical lows, and in fact, its storage cost is very high, as many of you know. We measure liquidity by this equation, which is the change in the price to the order flow imbalance. And order flow imbalance here is measured in minutes, and it's pretty robust, and also it's been defined as a buy volume versus minus the sell volume. So the slope that you see here is the cost of trading a unit lot, and we define liquidity as the inverse of this slope, and we average it across different time periods. So what we have now is based on this measure of liquidity during the day, as also quote size during the day, a time series for crude oil, which is the most traded contract at the beginning of the year until now. And you can see a sharp drop, literally in half on the liquidity and the quote size on March 6th. And what is more interesting is the next plot, which is a scatter plot of all the symbols, or most of the symbols on ICE and CME. And we can see here is the quote size on the x-axis and the average liquidity on the y-axis. The gas oil is literally on the right-hand side, a very big, large quote size, liquidity makes sense. And RBOB heating oil is actually on the bottommost, again makes sense. But what is very interesting here is that the crude oil and Brent, which are in the middle, crude oil liquidity is almost or somewhat lower than Brent oil. And that is something that's not captured by quote size because the quote size is higher. And this is where our liquidity measure is actually adds value because it captures all the other effects such as the augmented volume or different calendar spreads. And it is also very intuitive to see this because crude oil had far more devastating impact than Brent because of the recent events happening in the market.